My name is Tolope Ajayi. If you are new here, you would need to actually subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell to get updates on whenever I do some video here, right? So today I want to guide you on how to create a free email signature template from HubSpot, right? When you send emails all around, it's actually very important to start to use email signature. And I found out that this email signature from HubSpot is actually the best. And the very first thing you want to do is to head straight to HubSpot.com and /email signature, or you basically search for email signature from HubSpot. Basically, you can search for HubSpot email signature, right? Just a second, I don't know. I'm seeing this, and then the very first thing you're going to see is free email signature from and all of that. When you click it, you are going to see it, right? Can you see it? That's it. So we're currently on the page, and then we have different templates you can use. There are different templates from template 1 to 2 to 3. This is depending on how you want your layout to look like, right? I think I prefer this template 3, and then which has my image on the left, my name, all of that, my phone numbers, and all of that. So once I'm done selecting, the template I want, which is template 3, all I need to do is to basically come to the next toggle button. That's where I want to insert my names and all of that. So what I want to do now is to basically do some Tolulope, that's it, and then come to my last name, Ajayi, and my title would be digital marketing strategist. I would say, what's my department? Marketing department, company name. I work with Purpleview Digital, and then my phone number, all of those things. I have to do it without this address. I can say Lagos, Nigeria. And then enter social media account. So all you need to do is basically put in all my LinkedIn profile. I can put all the link there. Get the Facebook link. If you do not have all of these links, it's not necessary. You can omit them, but my own Facebook, my Twitter link is Twitter. So twitter.com / my username. Yeah, same thing for Instagram. All I need to do is to switch this to Instagram. All you need to do in your own case is to go and copy all the links, right? Same thing for Facebook, facebook.com, and then my LinkedIn. Yeah. So I can leave the LinkedIn there too. Yeah. So the next thing to do is to come to the next section and then click on the selecting icons and all of that. So why this is important is if there's an organization, if you are working with an organization and then you guys have a color code, right? So assuming that I'm working with Purpleview Digital now, we have a color code which is 400-35A. That's our color code, right? Or let me say the select link color, you can change that to 400-35A. Can you see how uniform it brings it? And it makes a lot of sense. I can change the font to say something like I like it's Verdana, and it brings that out. I can increase this, I can reduce it to medium, to small. I prefer it like this, and then I can go to image, right? So one thing very important is that you also need to put an image, and the way you can do this is to actually post your image or upload your image somewhere and then copy the link here. So what I've done is to upload this particular image into my Google Drive, and then all I need to do basically is to copy the link and bring it here. So what I'm doing now is to get a sharing document, and then I need to share the document. So the document has to be viewable and editable by many, so that when you copy the link, they are going to be able to see it. Because if it is restricted as it was before, people would not be able to view it. Or let me show you what that actually looks like. Let me change it to restricted, and let me copy this link and bring it to the email signature thing. And you see that I say we could not find that image, right? So they say sorry, we couldn't fetch that image. So all I need to do is to go and turn that off in anybody, and let me share it to edit image. All I need to do is copy the link and then bring it back here, right? Bring it back here, and then boom, that's my image coming, loading, telling you. So that's me. So and then another thing you can do, if you want your company logo, if it's not a personal brand, so I'm using this for a personal brand, so I'm not going to be putting a company logo. But the same thing for company logo, you need to upload this particular video, this particular image on the Google Drive, change the restriction to everybody can see and can edit, copy the link and bring it here, and that's all. So if you also have a custom a call to action, you say something like call me now, can you see? But I'm not gonna need a call to action here, so I'm going to delete this. And at the same time, you can also change the button of call to action to your color code 35A. A, can you see? Looks better, right? But I don't need the call to action in this, so I'm definitely going to go to the next thing. The next thing would be that I'm done creating the signature. All I need to do is to copy the signature, and then that's not my website. I can put my website to www.tologbajayi.xyz, and I can change this to how many employees work for my company, and all of that. I can click confirm. All of those things are just some simple check, right? So now that I have created my email signature, all I need to do is to copy the signature, and I definitely have different ways to do that, right? I'll prefer this copy signature, like I basically copied as text, copied, and all I need to do is to quickly head straight to my Gmail account. What I need to do is head straight to settings, the email, and go to settings, right? Go to settings. So after settings, all I need to do is to set up signature, right? Right now in this particular email signature, I have two signatures already. If you do not have this signature set up on you, you definitely have to see you would see it empty. So all you need to do is to create one and put you can do test signature, right? Text signature, and then you can create it. Once you create it, all you need to do is to paste it, right? Once you're done pasting it, you're going to see going to see the signature. Can you see? It looks very, 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 very good. And then I'll just have to clean this up, erase that part so that it doesn't allow people to go and be. He's asking me what email do I want to use this for, right? I can select the email I want it to be using for. Let me say either this, right? And I can select the signature. That's the signature. If you're using the very first email, right, you do not need to do all of these things, right? Like if this is the first signature you're going to be using in your account, you're seeing all of this because I already have some email signature here, right? And that is all I need to do after then is to click on save changes, and then let me click on compose email, and I can switch this signature to test signature, right? Once I click text signature, you're going to see test signature. What's happening? Just a second. I think might be downstairs, but let me try to see the signature again. To personal, you're going to see personal. That's my personal signature. To my company, that's my company signature. And then to text, where is the text? I don't know what's happening. Let me go check my settings again. Settings, see all settings, and then come here. Personal, where is it? Oh, I think it's all deleted, right? So all I need to do is to basically paste it again, and be very careful again. You have to be very careful when you're sending this. You delete this, and then you click on save, right? Save changes, saved, go to copy, and switch this to their signature. So I think the reason I'm having this particular issue is because I already have some email signature on my platform, on my account already. Yeah. So if you do not have all of this, your account, if you do not have all of this on your account, I don't think you have any issue, right? So I really hope you find this email signature thing very easy. If you want to keep seeing something amazing like this, kindly subscribe to my channel. Turn on post notification bells to get more of this. Right? Thanks.